All right. As you guys can see, I actually use this product. It's right here. Don't ask me why it changes to white. I don't know. I don't care. All I know is that you can see it grabs all of that stuff. So if we move this over, you can see it's clear. It stops all of the little food particles that are falling. I've got this liner right here. Sorry for the banging, but this is real life. I've got this oven liner here, extra thick 2-pack. And yeah, as you guys can see, I clearly use this thing. And it's very, very easy if anything drops or falls or anything like that. It's very thick, it's nice. Look at the bottom of this, you can see. I'm rubbing my fingers on it. It's obviously high heat resistance. Again, do not ask me why this is white. I don't know. I'm not going to question it. The only thing that I know is that I love this because I don't have to clean anything as far as getting the food off the bottom of the actual oven here. Oh, so yes, as you guys can see, we've got the oven liners. I've got the 2-pack. I haven't used the other one in a long time, obviously, as you can tell. This one had actually dust and stuff built up because it's been so long, because they work that good. They really do. I really enjoy them. And so the reason why is because what? Effortless cleanup. Effortless ever. You saw, all you have to do is just pull the thing out. You can wipe it down. It's dishwasher safe. It's highly, highly, highly durable, highly heat resistant. Let's see if I can find the exact level of heat that it says that it's able to get up to. I have absolutely no idea, but I can just tell you that it says heat resistant up to 500 degrees. 500 degrees. So it's absolutely ridiculous. This is also amazing because you can trim it. It's customizable. If you need to, you can cut it into whatever shape you need it to. I don't think I cut mine. I just laid it in there and everything was perfectly fine. And so you basically say goodbye to having to hand clean anything. I don't know about you guys, but if there's one thing that I cannot stand doing, it is cleaning anything, especially when it comes to cleaning the kitchen. The food particles and all that other fun stuff, I cannot stand it. He doesn't like it either. He doesn't, that's why he's just tired. He doesn't want to clean anything. I don't want to clean anything. And so yeah, the heat resistance is way better than using aluminum foil. And it's just multifunctional. So he agrees that he likes it. I agree that I like it so much that I bought this twice with my own money. This is my own personal review here. The 500 resistance. I'm only usually getting my oven up to like 475, 450, and I'm constantly doing it all the time. I've had it in there for months and months, possibly even years, I want to say at this point. And it still works. It still catches everything. So I'm rating this 5 stars. I'm just hoping that this video was good for you and helped you to understand whether you should get this or not. I personally believe that ovens should be required to come with these things. They should be required. I'm not even kidding you. I feel like they should be required to come with these things. But anyways, I love this product.